Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. However, the date, time and the time zone are inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, turn off all of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping first day, then month and a year. Confirm it with OK. Unfortunately, we cannot change the date format, so we have to display it in this way. And the same with the time, we can simply tap on it and by swiping change the time. If it comes to the time, we can change the format. As you can see at the top, we've got either the 24-hour one or 12-hour format just by turning off this option. Here we've got also the time zone, so just tap on select time zone, tap on the region, and here you can choose the region which you wish. Just find it in the list and tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Here we've got also the option dual clock. You can turn it on and off just by using this switcher, and basically the whole idea of this feature is that your device will show you two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place you're currently in, which is set right here, and the second one from any other place of your choice. So you can just tap on second clock and choose other region. Alright, so this is the manual customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switches right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.